In a brightly decorated room filled with natural light and cozy plants sits Emily, a 21-year-old tech-savvy college student with an affinity for helping others. Emily has just set up her phone and laptop, ready to demonstrate to her audience how easy it is to transfer files from an Android device to a computer. Her keen understanding of technology, combined with her bubbly yet calm demeanor, makes for the perfect narrator for the subject at hand. Camera rolling, she begins her video tutorial with a warm greeting. Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways to share files from your Android phone to your computer. First, she introduces the method for transferring files using a USB cable, which is perhaps the most direct method. Let's start with the USB method, shall we? It's quick and safe. She continues by describing the step-by-step process. 1. Connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. 2. Once connected, a notification should pop up on your phone. Tap on it and select the option, Transfer Files, or NTP mode. 3. Your computer should recognize the device. Open File Explorer on your computer and look for your phone's name, usually under this PC. 4. Click on your device and navigate to the files you want to transfer. 5. Drag and drop files from your Android to a folder on your computer. Emily makes sure to show these steps on screen, carefully zooming into each action with animated highlights to keep her viewers engaged. But what if you forgot your cable somewhere? Don't worry, I've got another method up my sleeve for you, she says, transitioning smoothly to a more advanced technique using Bluetooth. Emily explains how to activate Bluetooth on both devices and pair them. She demonstrates how to select files on the Android, choose Share, select Bluetooth, and finally select the paired computer to send the files over. Lastly, she introduces a cloud method for those times when both devices are not nearby. Highlighting apps like Google Drive and Dropbox, Emily explains how uploading files to these platforms enables access from any computer. By the end of the session, viewers not only learn the basics, but feel empowered to adapt their approach based on available resources. With a friendly smile, Emily wraps up, and there you have it, 3 easy ways to transfer files. I hope this helps you to stay organized and save time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. As the video fades out, her audience feels more confident in their tech skills, thanks to Emily's clear and engaging guidance.